Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey today as we remember the fallen people of 9/11. We pay our respects.
In this video, we will be visiting the campus of Pepperdine University, located in Malibu, California. More specifically, we will be at Alumni Park, near the entrance to Pepperdine. We are here for the Memorial to 9/11. We are a growing channel and we need your help. So please take a minute to subscribe. 3,000 flags.
3,000 flags?
Because of 9/11.
Oh, 9/11.
Attacks on 9/11 killed 2,977 people from 90 nations. And we're at Pepperdine University. It's pretty cool to see it all when they're all waving like that. That's awesome. We're right at the beach. Pepperdine University is right at Malibu Beach.
These are all 3,000 flags, all up for the people we lost on 9/11.
They call this the Waves of Flags. The flags are displayed at Pepperdine from September the 7th to September the 27th in Pepperdine's Alumni Park.
It's nice to have different flags out besides ours. But if you look, it's very cool.
This tradition was started by the students in 2008. The Waves of Flag has become a Pepperdine tradition, one that attracts attention and admiration from across the country. It has come to transcend the commemoration of a single tragic day. The display is meant to educate both students and people far beyond this campus about the history of our country and the overwhelming sacrifices that heroic men and women have made to keep our country safe, prosperous, and free. Visitors to this memorial are encouraged to share their thoughts by writing messages of hope and healing on note cards. It's Pepperdine's personal golf course. Yeah. It's one of those wow kind of things.
But you can see, it's all around. All 3,000.
You can see the ocean off in the distance there.
All the way looking from the northwest, all the way around.
There's one flag for each innocent victim, including a national flag for each foreign country that lost a citizen. This is Pepperdine. That's Pepperdine University. The Distinguished Honoree and speaker at the opening ceremony this year was Pat Boone. Pat Boone said, "Look at these precious flags, 3,000 standing in our blessed California breeze. They're standing, but they're speaking too. Listen, and you hear these flags speak and sing of America, of God and country, and of freedom and the liberties protected for all of us. Sing, flags, sing. We're listening, and we love you." The 3,000 plus flags are installed by 300 volunteers that start on September the 2nd. The flags this year will be up until September the 27th. That's a heck of a lot of flags, and a very sorry thing that so many people died. One flag for everyone that died at the memorial.
May we never forget. God bless America.
People traveling along the Pacific Coast Highway and coming out of Malibu Canyon drive past the beautiful sight of these flags waving in the ocean breeze.
I'm headed towards a little podium I see in the distance. I'm sure it has those "We will remember" or "We'll always remember" cards. It says pause to reflect. That's exactly what we've decided to do on this fine Sunday morning, looking out at Malibu. Behind us is Pepperdine. And with a note of reflection or prayer, please tie your card to any of the flagpoles with a ribbon provided. Submit messages of hope, remembrance, and reflection of the waves of the flags website throughout the year at pepperdine.edu/waves-of-flags. Randy's reading one of the cards. What a view.
There are flags to also honor those people that lost their lives, were from other countries, and they were at the Trade Center as well. And you can see the ocean off in the background.
Some things do leave him speechless. This here is recycled water and irrigation reservoir. Do not feed the birds. You are entering a park that is used for campus recreation. Please be aware of flying golf balls and discs means frisbees. And don't drink the water.
2021. While we were here at the Pepperdine Memorial, we took a little bit of time to walk around the man-made lakes on the golf course. We enjoyed seeing the Canadian geese, enjoying the California sun.
You know what? There's a turtle, right? Oh, he just went underneath. He was right in between these swans, or these Canadian geese. I just saw him pop his head up.
I've got a feeling that these geese just stay here year-round, as the weather does not change much here.
Thumbnail. This is a cool view because you can still see the flags in the background with the ducks, and they're all like standing at attention. Oh, I got that one. This is the second man-made lake, reclamation water. There was some ducks, new babies. Randy's on the hill, the lone walker. He's waving.
And people just come here and walk amongst the flags.
Expensive cars, definitely a Mustang, and then a Charger right behind it. These lights here are all encased in wrought iron. They will illuminate all the flags, and they're all around this grassy area, lighting the over 3,000 plus flags.
If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe.
And ring that notification bell.
And give us a like, it lets us know you care.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.